Attention, RSC subscribers. At 7 a.m. on Thursday, August 15th, the PPMLS will be placed in maintenance mode to make the changes in compliance with Exhibit B of the NAR settlement agreement. RSC staff anticipates the PPMLS being offline for approximately 4 hours. More information will be forthcoming regarding those changes and what to expect once the PPMLS is back up. Lunchtime.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
You know what will go good with this? Chips. Whoa. Whoa. Hey, it's dark in here. Hello?
Hello?
Sean?
Is that you, Eli?
Yeah, I'm stuck in the elevator.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Can you help me, please?
Yeah, I'll get right on that.
Thank you. Sean's not so bad after all.
Ooh, a bagel. Don't mind if I do. She left her computer unlocked. I'm gonna have fun with this. So here's a tech tip. Leaving your computer open while you're away leaves it open to exposure to nosy strangers. Be sure to lock your screen when you're away from your desk. To lock your screen automatically, press Command-Control-Q for Mac users and Windows and L together for Windows users. Be aware of your surroundings and make sure no one is watching you as you enter passwords or access sensitive information. Since Eli has not locked her computer, I'm going to sign her up for a class. Let's see what we can choose for her. Oh, look at all these classes we have to offer. And down here, what do we got? Oh, this one looks good. What a Realtor Does. Let's check out that. All right. We have attorneys Scott Peterson and Damian Cox are teaming up to teach a What a Realtor Does class. That's awesome. They're going to be understanding your value. You do so much. Prices, contracts and clauses, gas miles, marriage counselor, evenings and weekends, understanding the MLS practice changes and identifying how to respond to them. This is a free event on August 8th from 9:30 to 11:15. Love it. Oh, and if she doesn't show, she's going to get charged a $30 no-show fee. Well, we're going to make sure she doesn't show. All right. Well, next time she's going to lock her computer. Windows L. There we go. Ooh, don't forget you. How you doing in there, Eli?
Sean, hurry up. I'm getting flashbacks of being back in the closet.
Hey, you locked me in the basement and there's spiders down there.
Wait a minute. Sean, is this you who did this?
Maybe.
Sean, get me out of here.
It's going to be a while before I can get you out of there. I'm going to need you to wait, find something to do, and then I'm going to need to find something to do, and I was thinking the evening of August 17th. And I don't want to go to the movies or out to eat. And your bagel's dry, by the way. And I was told I need to be more social with my peers.
Well, you're in luck. Casino night is happening that night. It's from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. at the COS City Hub. You should register in your member portal to get your tickets now for $65 because it will go up at the door. The tickets include 2 drink tickets, 1 food truck ticket, and a dessert ticket. The theme is Miami Dice, so bring your fedora, sandals, and linen attire. There will be food, music, and lots of fun. And all of the proceeds go to Partners in Housing. You don't want to miss this awesome event. I'll be there. If I can ever get out of this elevator, Sean. Hurry up.
Hey, Sean, can I get some help?
Yeah, I'll be right there. Eli, I gotta go help somebody. I'll be back a little later. Just hang tight.
Sean! Well, at least I have my chips. Lonely, I am so lonely.